Join me as I take on the challenge of building a micro SaaS business from scratch in 2024, and I'll show you every step of the way. The concept of micro SaaS has been gaining traction over the past few years, and I believe 2024 is the perfect time to dive in. With the rise of digital entrepreneurship and the increasing demand for software solutions, micro SaaS businesses have the potential to solve niche problems and generate significant revenue. When it comes to starting a micro SaaS business, many entrepreneurs face common challenges. One of the biggest hurdles is market saturation. How do you stand out in a crowded marketplace? Another challenge is identifying a viable niche. How do you find a problem worth solving? On top of that, there's the technical aspect. How do you build a product that meets the needs of your target market? And let's not forget about marketing and sales. How do you reach and convert potential customers? Many entrepreneurs struggle to validate their ideas, and they end up building a product that nobody wants. Others might have a great idea, but they don't know how to bring it to life. And even if they do manage to launch their product, they might struggle to find customers and generate revenue. Despite these challenges, the potential rewards of building a micro SaaS business are huge. With the right idea, the right execution, and the right marketing, you can create a scalable business that generates passive income and gives you the freedom to pursue your passions. So, how do you identify a niche, validate your idea, and outline the technical requirements needed to launch a micro SaaS product? It starts with research. You need to identify a problem that you're passionate about solving, and that has a large enough market to be profitable. From there, you need to validate your idea by talking to potential customers, gathering feedback, and refining your concept. Once you have a solid idea, you can start outlining the technical requirements needed to bring it to life. The key is to start small and focus on solving a specific problem for a specific group of people. You don't need to build a complex, all-encompassing platform. You just need to build a product that solves a real problem for real people. And you don't need to have all the technical skills yourself. You can always outsource or hire a developer to help you bring your vision to life. One key insight that can significantly increase your chances of success in the micro SaaS space is to leverage existing platforms for distribution. Instead of trying to build your own platform from scratch, you can partner with existing platforms that already have a large user base. This can save you time, money, and resources, and give you a head start on marketing and sales. For example, if you're building a micro SaaS product for e-commerce store owners, you could partner with Shopify or WooCommerce to distribute your product. This would give you instant access to a huge market without having to build your own platform from scratch. You could also leverage existing communities, such as Facebook groups or online forums, to promote your product and gather feedback. Another strategy is to focus on a specific industry or niche and build a product that solves a specific problem for that industry. This could be anything from accounting software for solopreneurs to project management tools for construction companies. By focusing on a specific niche, you can build a product that really resonates with your target market and establish yourself as an expert in that industry. By leveraging existing platforms and focusing on a specific niche, you can build a micro SaaS business that generates significant revenue and has a real impact on people's lives. And the best part is, you don't need to have all the answers right now. You can start small, iterate, and refine your product over time. In summary, building a micro SaaS business requires careful planning, execution, and iteration. You need to identify a viable niche, validate your idea, and outline the technical requirements needed to launch your product. You need to leverage existing platforms for distribution and focus on a specific industry or niche to establish yourself as an expert. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this video helpful. If you have a micro SaaS idea, leave it in the comments below. I'd love to hear about it. And if you're looking for more entrepreneurial tips and strategies, be sure to check out my other videos.